Along the jagged cliffs of northern seas, a small bird with a comically bright beak and stocky body hops across the rocks, scanning the waters below. This is the puffin, a seabird whose adaptations have allowed it to thrive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Puffins live along coasts in the North Atlantic and parts of the Arctic, where winds are strong, seas are rough, and survival requires both skill and endurance. Puffins belong to the family Alcidae, a lineage of diving birds that evolved tens of millions of years ago. Their ancestors adapted to life both in air and water, developing strong wings for flying and specialized feet and streamlined bodies for diving. Fossil records reveal that puffin-like birds have existed since the Miocene epoch, maintaining their unique lifestyle through changing climates and sea levels. The puffin's most striking feature is its beak. During the breeding season, the bill displays vivid colors of red, orange, and yellow, forming a broad triangular shape. This beak is not merely decorative, it serves critical purposes in mating displays and in catching multiple fish simultaneously. Outside the breeding season, the beak colors dull, but its size and shape remain highly functional. Flying puffins may appear clumsy at first glance. Their wings beat rapidly, up to 400 times per minute, allowing them to hover and maneuver above turbulent seas. Despite their small size, they can travel hundreds of kilometers during feeding expeditions, navigating open oceans with surprising precision. Underwater, puffins transform into agile hunters. Using their wings like flippers, they fly through water with remarkable speed and agility, diving to depths of up to 60 meters in pursuit of small fish such as sand eels, herring, and capelin. Their beak is perfectly adapted to hold multiple fish at once, lined with spines that prevent prey from slipping during transport back to the nest. Puffins are highly social. During breeding season, they gather in dense colonies on coastal cliffs or islands, forming bustling communities where mating, nesting, and feeding are coordinated. Here, males display their colorful beaks and rhythmic head movements to attract females, engaging in elaborate courtship rituals that can include mutual billing, wing flapping, and synchronized movements. Once pairs form, they excavate burrows in the soft soil or utilize natural crevices in cliffs. The burrow provides a safe haven for a single egg, which the female incubates while the male brings food. Nesting sites are chosen carefully, balancing proximity to food sources with protection from predators such as gulls, skuas, and foxes in certain regions. Eggs hatch after approximately 6 weeks, and the chicks, called pufflings, emerge covered in down and completely dependent on their parents. Both adults feed the chick regurgitated fish, often bringing dozens of small prey items per day to ensure rapid growth and survival. As pufflings grow, they develop strong wings and waterproof feathers that prepare them for life both in air and sea. Parents carefully time feeding schedules to match fish availability, demonstrating remarkable coordination and endurance. The young puffins quickly learn to recognize predators and use burrow entrances or cliff crevices to hide, blending instinct with lessons learned from parental guidance. Puffins face numerous threats during this vulnerable period. Predatory gulls and skuas target chicks, while strong winds and harsh storms can destroy burrows. On some islands, introduced mammals such as rats and foxes pose additional dangers. Adult puffins, though more resilient, must constantly evade large seabirds and human disturbances, particularly fishing activities and habitat encroachment. Despite these challenges, puffins have adapted behaviors to maximize survival. Their colonial nesting strategy provides safety in numbers, with adults alert to intruders while others feed or tend to chicks. Flight and diving abilities allow them to exploit oceanic food sources inaccessible to many competitors, giving them a dietary advantage. Puffins play a significant ecological role. By preying on small fish, they help regulate marine populations, contributing to the balance of northern oceanic ecosystems. Their burrows and guano enrich island soils, promoting vegetation growth and supporting other wildlife species. Puffins thus act as both predators and environmental engineers in coastal habitats. Culturally, puffins have fascinated humans for centuries. Their striking appearance, comical expressions, and energetic behaviors have made them symbols of coastal wildlife. In folklore and local traditions, puffins often represent resilience, adaptability, and the beauty of the northern oceans. Today, they are featured in wildlife documentaries, birdwatching tourism, and conservation campaigns, reminding humanity of the importance of protecting fragile marine ecosystems. Seasonal migrations mark another aspect of puffin life. After the breeding season, many puffins disperse across open oceans, traveling hundreds of kilometers to forage and avoid harsh winter conditions. These journeys require incredible navigation skills, endurance, and the ability to locate schools of fish across vast expanses of sea. The puffin story is one of adaptation, survival, and ecological significance. From the striking courtship displays on cliff tops to skillful underwater hunting and dedicated parental care, puffins embody the intricate relationship between behavior, environment, and evolution. Their presence continues to inspire scientists, bird enthusiasts, and nature lovers worldwide. As the sun sets over the northern seas, puffins retreat to their burrows, the bright colors of their beaks fading into twilight. The colonies grow quiet, the waves crashing below a soothing background. With the first light of dawn, these remarkable birds emerge once again, diving into the ocean with precision, feeding the young, and continuing the timeless cycle of life that has defined the puffin for millennia.